Mula sa Nha Trang, Vietnam. Ngayon kasi,
Si Cathy, si Mark, si Faye, si Assistant Professor Maria Cecilia Kyo Quezon. Sino ba boy?
Mr. Fredis Swindo Medina, Attorney Jesus Granado, Victoria Mark, Joseph Aney. Magandang umaga, welcome to Boy and Chris. Ang inyong mga dasal, ang inyong mga hiling, wishes para sa ating kandidata. Go ahead, ma'am.
To Jen, the entire University of Santo Tomas sends their warmest love to you. We support you.
Maraming salamat.
Ate Jenny, keep your hopes up. Always pray to God, and whatever happens, we support you. We love you.
Jennifer, we are very proud of you. You are destined for something extraordinary. May God grant you the Miss Universe crown.
Sana, sana, sana. Go.
Ate Jennifer, good luck at sana pagbutihan mo. Nandito lang kami sumusuporta sa
Thank you.